Good morning, students. Good morning, one and all present here. I am Dr.Ramanithilagam from the Department of Business Administration. Today what we are going to see is, already we had a discussions regarding these subjects. Now what we are going to see is organizational behavior, in particular confined to organizations might be an industries. So what is organizational behavior? We had given all sort of introductions about this in previous classes. So behavior is nothing but what we exhibit in a place, in a common places, while we are with the group or while we are individual. Our behavior getting changed according to the situations. See, for example, while we are moving with our class team members or with your friends, your behavior is casual. But while you talk or while you are individual or you are moving with some superiors or with your faculty members, your behavior is getting changed. So situation, man is an outcome of situation, thus his behavior is changing according to the expectation and according to the situations. So why we need and why we study this human behavior? Because we want to be a best emotional balanced person. So basically IQ versus what we call it as IQ versus EQ, intelligent quotient versus emotional quotient. So the balance IQ makes you to get through the process. That is okay. It is acts just like a gate entry. But emotional quotient, when we are getting this emotional balance, so when we are able to control our behaviors. So organization behavior, which makes us to mold our behavior with a group as well as in an individual manner. So that is in a group our behavior is changed, while we are with individuals or with our superiors or faculty members, it is entirely different. So that is formal or informal behaviors. So formally we will restrict our attitude, behaviors, body language, everything we will restrict and we will limitize ourselves. Whereas in informal groups, we don't such things. We will freely mingle or freely enjoy with the things where we don't restrict our behaviors or attitudes. So that is OB, attitude and perception is the most part of our organization behavior. So what is attitude? What is attitude? Why attitude is needed? And how to develop our attitude, good attitudes. So attitude is nothing but it is a temporary or might be, because it cannot be a permanent thing. So it is a temporary exit of a human behavior. So what we learn or what we observe, accordingly we react immediately. So that might be our attitude. Attitude is determined with our maturity of level also. So if you are matured, if you are awareness, if we have some knowledge or we know about the situation, accordingly we can tune up our attitudes. But the perception is different. Perception is different from this attitude. Because based on our perception only sometimes we react. That we have to agree here. But perception, individual perception is differ from one man to another man's. Because we may have many perceptions in one situation or in one places, many people have many perceptions. It is also getting tuned according to the maturity level of human beings. If we are more awareness, if we are more knowledgeable, accordingly we will perceive the things, perseverance, or we will perceive the things according to our maturity level of mindset. So perception and attitude determines human behavior in common parlance, which we can rectify or which we can alter easily. We can mold it. So this is all very important in studying this organization behaviors. Just it is exhibited in the pictures also, or otherwise we can see it through the PPT also. The group, how the group is formed and how the individual is in the sense group, how the individual behaviors, or individually when he is let free, how he behaves, how his behavior is getting changed accordingly. So that is what we can see from this picture. So can we go to next slide? Cause of human behaviors. Before we conclude this topic, we'll see what is the cause of human behavior, because cause and consequences play a vital role in this. So cause in the sense, if somebody is abusing, you assume that somebody is assuming on us, somebody is abusing with the unparliamentary words. So we will get what by that situation, how we will react. Actually we will get tempted and we will get angry over that. So immediately we will react with the response will be carried out immediately according to the abusal of words, abusal of unparliamentary words. So this is what the immediate response which is registered immediately. So if someone is appreciating us, someone is appreciating, or someone is in the sense we are prized in the public places, accordingly we will exhibit our body language as well as will react or we will express our attitudes in a different way. So this is what cause, and if we are exhibiting our angriness immediately, that may disturb the situation also, where we cannot have a balanced mindset. We cannot go for a balanced set of decisions also. So where we have to take some time to react for everything. So this is called as balancing ourselves with the situation or balancing our behavior, which is very important in human behaviors, that is in organization behaviors. So with this, let us wind up, students. In next session, we will see what is the next proceedings of the human behavior. Thank you, students. Thank you all.